Madam Iyore.
Damosa.
Okay. Normally, in life, anything concerning social media, Mazuga beg to buy away. My mind don't exist. But no say you cannot go. You cannot go. The money see can so yeah. You like you. I mean, you like your person.
What's
you cannot go. So if not, you know what calling not doing any of fear. When anybody agree, my don't exist. And because of you, I will just say a few things.
What's around? Ujuami.
First of all, now, most of things, no, the other day, you know, I decided to leave everything. I just block everybody, do everything concerning my woman away. At least for my family, when you are aware that you go ahead, because you break you get together and when you disclose my anybody, I think my kind of get together because my type of person for over 21 years now. For over 21 years, don't do this. Then all those things when I won it, or you cause a death for it. Doing it more cause naturally in the man, so naturally.
Okay,
I'm entitled to myself, I'm not entitled to anybody.
Okay.
If I had my way, I can have 1 million wives if I want to. But that's not, I don't know.
Okay,
I'm alone. I don't have any woman.
Okay.
That's not. The one you tell me, or woman, okay. Yeah. Now, over 21 years, you can't go everywhere. Well, I don't know, you don't do things behind that man. But you know, you blame him because I'm not smart about or believing I'm a surprise. Just about that here. Yeah, make a way. You marry the woman, so go. So I know those things don't cost it or be an soon. Because my issue. My issue America. So I can't come in Nigeria. Meanwhile, before I come in Nigeria for like let's say 3 years now, I could say he block he or go one. He block because there's only we over 20 years, one of the worst. Why is only we when the amount of kind focus on your children and me. So I don't agree, then we say block it. Besides, this I need to go.
Guanya, you let in line your culinary call. La wo line your culinary. Sa you let Tori be calling now, la wo go Tori. Yes, I love why you are well, manage to know me to what Tori. Guanya urame.
When we go on, I think a lot of people will be disappointed because all those kind of things. You go on social media, they're not well because personally, anytime I buy like you, so I have to say something to you. So now, you know, when you are having it depends on, the kind of person making you want to blame that woman to be reasoning like you, to be behaving like you. So only my agree over the time. But the woman in question, you believe in all these other people and with this Christian thing, any religious person, I don't believe in any religion. I don't even like it. I don't like all of religion. So maybe to agree with you, only now to cover a face or man, I believe in Jesus Christ has saved here. No matter anything in your boy, she has Jesus that will save her. But I believe in logical things here. Don't be doing this. Don't be testing people. Don't be, hey, I can't. So then she still went ahead and started doing things with people, with her family, below one with me here, through them. So there was no problem about that. But You wait for the problem. The problem are you also where like 2 years ago. And I call him where Tia no Joe, Boa can but one in a Iyore, Mamuni, who is this? Don't you know Joe, but also no sister here. But no sister, sister, me 2 only. And me out and this my woman, only a pastor, no, very nice, a nice woman. Only me a woman, so yeah, back calling me do. Mary Lagos, yana redo, yana calling me when me I do what you or me or one mamune. And now, one year, when the now when on what you don't know when on say night go. Like Bumata and I way, because you can't want a woman, don't be doing things answer on me. Do not why you go, we are this you go, no, there are a lot of things they can't mind matter make me the woman because the explain it so when the man leo, woman coming up for here. So the ever since you woman when you police quality or all those things kind of thing. So there are a lot of people.
Okay, when I got police igual and not here.
Yes. No more wine here.
Not more wagon here.
Yeah, only stay here, don't even stay here, do you go stay. So I'm your woman, mammy. So many years because equal time, and the tarry at all. Anything new outside of me, or the boy don't say it to me. So maybe I'm tiring. So only when you want to call the long story short, you want to know which I find it. I'm saying that I'm right now. Iyore is not normal death. And you know, say I'm moving because of BMA. And if you know BMA, he may totally will, but he still will be. Tell them I'm moving away, but my after in a stay, will go for 1 year. When 1 year in a year, woman, after that 1 year plus, then I had in Nigeria, may never go for over 20 years. Then we go in Nigeria, can you have a show. So, but in a more, the webo, in a man, the webo, so now, a morning, a woman, I mean, you have my dear, my gui, your woman take off a mona, every reason to die. Because they're webo. So on your movie, every other thing, all those property, I'm not they tell you, woman, you might not come and property. I don't, and they have a stubborn, you're waiting, okay, here go my kind property, but you're not here, and you're not setting here. We want to property, but this woman should be alive and take care of the children because you never, so that is my anger. I always say not to block events recently because they are just talking about burial. They are talking about how to do drama with the burial. I'm talking about where. Let's go into that. Where? Now, wait a minute. When you are moved by, you know, moved by. I said, "Don't to you." So you know, agree. What they make them go in Nigeria? Yeah, because of any activities no, or no do have to say this prophetess, this thing no, or we prophetess here, which you must say, so all of those faces say no do away. Okay, you quite a bit small church inside of her with because she's really serious. She's really serious about it. They must sign anyone you or one can you one or no little can you want those things equal Malaka those things. So you know the way no look back. I mean, I know we are changing tickets here because my leave sometimes. Since you in Nigeria, so may not travel to America. May just 5 days in Iyore. And okay, like 1 week in the Kenya. So you know, I think you have been watching your ticket here. You know, because or you can hear, I mean, you not call it any distrust, you know, yakba. So any coin no day. So maybe feel any. You have to go. I think the matter not to job that because of peg the never total Nigeria do all those crusade no me and the more even if you haven't working but you are supposed to be there because the money they have this baby character they need their mother and then we could not change we could not change the ticket almost super and then I know more you moto I'm not something me Lagos be period in because me show then when work before this Lagos die. The day Christmas, because you know to get ticket to get 26, you know, You know, I figure PM, you know, and I figure AM, you know, so AM, PM, you know, blah. So there's no way we can go that 46. Hey, I'm missing the flight. Let me by 25. That's Christmas Day. You know, drive out here in Lagos. I don't know inside the way. Can be not to Lagos, but now stay. Then the next day, we will be there, airport. But on complain on the way, I want to complain about because they active or not they active, you know. On our way, again, whether they look with so the guy, there's something we do for me. You know, I don't know where to tell my road with another time, my driving, but then we ask a go, young the Mexico. Imagine the airport, I do. She told them, then you or you go and you motor, you know, I don't know the airport you are. This blood happy plus watching happy plus endo. You know what say or say we put in you because airport or zigzag and you don't there's no chance to do all those kind of things. So one of the loading again, you to buy loading back again. She was okay. Within that 5 days, 6 days, the Miami Benny, she was okay, like not there Ajano. Then I cannot look money no no because when you are promising here and I jacket to city. Then I'm you have money there. The money now, I mean if you're like baby, I know the boom be and I'm here any that's in ya anyway and I'm being anyone. Don't make an have money of your so then I got was I don't know video, don't hear video, don't send them you need beg money with me. And then we have been calling my way, police is also about you here, we know we cannot have another way, we know maybe we must know your names, come one more and main language in Italian. So, I know we are calling up from with you. So, it was the next day, I want to know what the night, I want to take it to me. But I will stay for almost 20 days to cities. Then you are autopsy, you go to it. Yeah, autopsy like that because of one good news of power, they will change not to be very intelligent girl. I know we might call here, we might call I mean this hospital people in Milano. But I have autopsy. Autopsy like that, first of all, the more you know better, Tamia, two and your body, Google, Jaira, brother, take me, Jaira sister here, but Google, because any the intelligence in school. So now, in a more time anyway, you know, soon away, we do only complicated if you're here. Or Chinese man, or you will tell me para provoke or Chinese you want to come down, say not block recently because you don't beg me, you know, you don't beg a sign, you know, that color. No, but we do I do with any or that's the one of Chinese. So all you men now can come only make it don't you kuni, but yeah, what to see. I have a very
I'm here to kuni yes.
I'm your but before I got to see Keladia, men are airport. Men have here luggage okay. Because our luggage opa, I am money, we more money. I have a document to money. The luggage over here, you know, Poma, I mean, however, the other luggage, more on if you're not even. So I know, when you get a whatever. But I want to go and see that luggage. You only get the Huni River. Now you say, I have your luggage in Milano. Huni River, go met it today. Or somebody made you Huni there. You marry in a video, enough video not sending you to it. No, you don't know. If time I was, sit at your carry or marry. So meaning all Huni is clear. So we are waiting for what? Now they attack or because that's why BP no this and this from there. You don't know BP, maybe I don't know BP 50 years or let's see.
Okay.
Autopsy you like you. Ebo, mami mi ropa.
Ebo mami mi ropa.
Mami ropa. They always said, our bones is like a baby bones. A mechanism. Where is like a baby. That woman, she is a very strong woman. That's what doctor said.
Mami not bad.
I'm not supposed to because all our body is intact. So the only thing here, there's fast some water in her chest and mighty breathe, blood mighty flow, say, or not give up. So that is not normal. That is not medical. That is not, it's not a way talk for me. So come in there without technology. So they say Nigeria doing some many things, as far as so many things about a property, even though you have a policy, so who not van women, even if it has that.
E papa togevo, e be papa togevo, what go a bit on go.
Oh, we are man, the man,
Okay, I need to concern the papa togo mother away.
I mother away.
Okay, wait okay.
Wait to know, wait 2 years ago, come on. So how can you go and be buying all this? Do all this thing, the money they make property person. The money we pay the money need the you know we document na really because I'm not doing ni ali logo. More winning, more winning. Even if you 1 year ago, then let mom the head, I will do it. You don't go and do it in the back. So you take it. On top of 2 years ago. But after that time, I'm so but you know, according to people, you know what we mean. Yeah, what's your pa or women. So you know, I'm not friend, you know, I'm not call him recently to boy. I'm not calling him Facebook. No, we didn't know about him. You know, the father go here, you know, very nice girl. I know, a gay woman, I know, but a year ago in Nigeria, so I know the calling me so much, but a document, me and you, the woman, you have the woman, your mama and the woman, you know. So but that's not my business. My concern all those things. Like money, my own is that my people advise me near where or no Google, but don't when at time now. My own is that how did she die? Why did the family not find out and not bear?
Okay.
On your my caller recently, you know, goodness of we, anyone. Blocking for the women in but they're supposed to find out in not there. Very hard is not the problem.
Okay, and when I got Jiku.
Oh, man, you could not listen. Ijime is not Ijime after God is my mother. You all know that.
Yes.
And then Ijime would in you could what? Show your money, boom, how do you stop me not to go?
Oh, my data, every man with the next case. Only a problem. Only a problem. Go here.
Really okay with it.
Nani go nene.
The next day or is here who the UK or book him long ago. He never woo. He may not the wood way. The next day here at Novasani because of the woman. Ghana said you may. So we don't even talking about that. This is my work. I have to go and work. They pay me. So the way I'm without bringing the dead, but I'm the one that even soliciting that they should find out what killed her. What happened to her? They are not talking about that. They are just talking about irrelevant things. Which are not supporting people have advised me say, where I what for this and this, where you're my family. But I'm not saying I insist. Oh man, I'm more. And you're going to make money. There we go, money away from the
Iyore.
Yeah, the day one nice guy or Chinjano, a very nice guy. Very nice for now. Oh, but even I don't really have much to say. I don't know where anyone to this. I cannot.
What's it? My do I follow me be talking here guaca. Lady Juliet, anything water.
Mommy, what okay? Originally, only while we have a Ijimo Sinije, you know, even they just no banana or the city man to last year, my wife bam video. Before the 25th of Christmas Eve, if my wife back can like play. No sooner, no small way, you married a page here. So everything here to our calendar. I think so, we are, Obi, help with you, one up here. No way will be no. Well, he could, here and there, the my pity that woman of work for work. A million, no way, owner or PMA, your bowie if you're coming, no way sorry. No way, maybe. A man, he could, only explain me. Jack, baby, we una ma or coffee in there. We're bad, a city ma utine. We're not okay. We might to know going up here.
Who is talking?
What the man of Guana get where my
from Udine, cause again of Udine.
Okay, no good one.
We're good one, Jack. You have a good one now. We're going from Udine. Coffee or getting more teenager.
Okay, okay, Mother Iyore.
they were having.
Mother Iyore. This thing is forbidden for me to be talking on social media. It's against my spirit.
Every a good though, tell them, I would you call him no muya una. That I can tell you one necessary, sis or beer.
And I'm going to take off those children. I don't get down with the carrying away a pressure in our
Iyore.
They were having.
no, but we're going to say, Tori, mommy, we're going to call you over.
This is the last time you have work. I'm going to work one. You are very, very stupid.
That's all it, man. On our web, Losina. Huh? The man where you're phone, I'm not in your Tori.
I want it, mommy. You really want to mommy. It's short. Ah, God, it's painful.
Yagwaka.
Omagu not afo. Or he will not give you. Omagu
regret. No jam mweba.
Omake ya no go vie no ya wan no omawa busy
ya fo twat. Era ya gwa magume myoto na wi. Ma ya wati enye pike call. Do ma like no ga mu. No like no mo defo gene. Ema weme we na pike call wo be nu ya ruji ni ya. Iye ya mu.